In this video, you are going to see how to convert the number to word in Microsoft Excel automatically. To convert the number to word, we need to activate the developer tab. You don't have the developer tab, go to file, go to option, go to customize ribbon and check the developer option and hit OK. Now go to developer, go to Visual Basic, go to insert and click on module. Now I need to add a VBA code over here. Here I have paste a VBA code. I will give the link in the video description. The code name is number 2 words. Now close it. Now go to this cell, hit equal and write here number 2 word and select the cell and close the bracket, hit enter and you will see the magic. Now drag it down like this and you will see I have converted the number to word. If you want to save the file, just go to file, go to save as, go to browse and you need to save this file as Excel macro enable workbook. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.